Good morning. I'm just using leftover sheet mask. I've been training to run a 5K, but I think I overdid myself. I got a shin splint and then I had to rest for 2 weeks. So I'm gonna finally try running again, see how my leg feels. It's not even because I was pushing myself too hard. It's only because I just like running and I wanted to run again. It's okay. At least I definitely know now.
Let's see how many people are here.
I made some bear cookies for my teacher. And look, I found the perfect sticker to close it. Oh my god. So, hooray. It's like open to heaven. It needed an extension cord. That's okay. It's gonna be our lighting. I also got fairy lights.
The tarp. Like, get this. Oh my god, I need 2 hands for this, so we're gonna be doing this. Sorry, spider webs. Oh my gosh. Hello. It's very heavy. I have to put a tarp down. Where's the tarp? Also, I changed the pants. Not gonna work as good. Okay, tent unboxing. You wanna see? Ah! Bless you, Nose. Oh, no, you wanna play? Chin, 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 chin. Good girl, Nose. Fast camp. I got this one because it was the only nice color. Sorry. Instructions. What? I forgot already. Oh, let's doing the splits. Ah! The bug just ran into my face.
I'll spread it.
Yes, please. Is this tarp for the top? Oh, I don't. Oopsie. It's okay. Ancestors, hear my plea. I have to get my tent. Oh, what is this?
Unload it one at a time.
Okay. Put it in the bag. Oh, it was wrong way. It's just pop-up, so it shouldn't be that difficult. Good thing we're wearing long sleeves because still are mosquitoes. Not getting me tonight.
See, there's so much.
I'm fully clothed, so it's not.
I'm fully clothed too.
Where? Through the clothes? Ew! That's some nice wind. Wow, this is it. Hopefully I don't hurt any spiders' homes because they're just kind of randomly everywhere. Okay, trying to get untangled first. Oh my god, we are relocating.
I like this spot. They didn't want me under the trees.
Hello. Great angle. Wow, it's so cozy in here. Whoa, so bright. Wow, so pretty. Okay, the real question is where I'm gonna hang this. Stuck. Wow, we got a big fire. Oh, this is it. Thanks, Dad. The fire. Yeah. Maybe I'll just surround the perimeter. There we go. Whoa. Our dinner.
I set up the twinkle lights. There's one
Ready?
s'mores.
Oh, no, ate.
What?
Bug in here. We'll get some protein. Oh my gosh, good. There you go. Looks good. Okay, sit down. You're hot. Of course.
You look a little burnt.
You're smart.
Late night drama. Okay, I turned back on the lights. I already brushed my teeth and did my skincare. It's so cozy. I love it so much. Anyway, here's a little tour. This little basket. I have all my essentials in there. My dad brought a sleeping bag. It's very comfy. I've just been like laying on this part. Can you see it better? I'm gonna be going to sleep tonight. Hello, good morning. I just got back from my annual checkup. Anyway, since I'm already out of my neighborhood, I'll just go. Why do I feel like I'm always getting groceries? Is it boring? I'm sorry. I can only get my natto every few days. Let's go. I don't know which way I'm going though. The weather's so nice. That's particularly why I wanted to go out.
Day 6 new album. It's raining leaves now. Cover doesn't close anymore.
Get rambutan.
Let's check how many in the box.
What should I get? You want for grandma? Get her this one. That's cool. Hello. This is the first time I'm in Atlanta like all by myself. I'm kind of scared. But it's okay. It'll be fun. Oh, today I just wanted to go somewhere. So I pulled out my Google Maps. The first thing I saw was a museum. So I was like, oh, I'll go to a museum. Hooray, let's go. I'll take a sip of water before I go though. Oh! Why did it spill? That's not nice. Gonna cut side bangs.
Alex is those Ohio words. Alex, it's a skibbity.
I hear this noise. I just did my makeup for today. I got some glue the other day because my favorite earrings broke. So we're gonna fix that. And I have two different packings because I lost it. I want to show you some products I've been getting on repeat for the past few months to write in dive-in masks. I first tried this when they sent it to me, and now I get them all the time. These have really been helping my hair. I have less frizzy hair now ever since I started using these. You've probably seen this, but the Fino hair masks are so good. They're so good. I don't even get the small tubs anymore. I get the huge refills. 3 of these. This body soap smells so good. It's in rose. Why is there a string? I got this while I was at a farmer's market. It smells so good. It smells like, what is it? It smells like pumpkin spice. Gonna decorate my room. I feel like there's too much stuff on this table. Hello. I hope you liked that video. Water bottle. It's already October. I'm excited. I'm excited for October. I hope you have a great start to October too. I really don't know what to say. I'm excited for October. That's all. I'll see you later. Have a good day. Bye.
From here, I didn't film that much. Anyway. Open. I have to unbox my tin. Unbox my tin. This thing is stuck. Okay, you go.
Someone looped it. I wonder who did it. Do you hear that?
It's a mosquito. The mosquito's talking to you.
Do you hear it?
You said it in the garage. It's our neighbors. Who else would it be?
I think that's a really lot of mosquitoes.
What's that?
This is way too close.
Oh yeah, I saw that chair.
Why am I having random songs?